When you turn off of I-90 and head toward the Badlands National Park entrance, head to the Badlands Ranch store for an unforgettable prairie dog experience. Here you'll see a giant prairie dog to greet you. In the store, you can buy a bag of unsalted peanuts, the prairie dog's preferred treat. This prairie dog town provides a unique feeding experience as it's outside the national park. Feeding the prairie dogs in a national park is illegal. The prairie dogs become accustomed to humans and human food. These prairie dogs, however, have been fed by tourists for generations. The prairie dogs are not camera shy and can get up real close to take pictures of them. And it doesn't take long to make friends with these feisty little creatures. It was fun watching the grandkids feed them and watching the prairie dogs scurry around town. Here the young ones look like they're following Mama to see if they can find some peanuts that have fallen, like the sparrow seems to be doing. The prairie dogs come right up to you to be fed, and the grandkids were having a blast hand feeding the prairie dogs. It was a lot of fun for the whole family to experience this interactive prairie dog town. Some prairie dogs screech a warning to their prairie dog friends, and others seem to be not worried at all. So if you're heading to Badlands National Park, be sure to stop in at the Badlands Ranch store for a fun time for the whole family at the Prairie Dog Town. This one seems to be saying, return again soon. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel.